Hello, boys and girls. This is day 3 of lesson 7, and we are reading Crabs on page 39 in our Unit 2 Journeys, Decodable Readers, and this is grade 1. So I will be reading the story for you, and then I'll read it again, and you'll read it after I do. All right, the name of this story is Crabs. And this is a nonfiction story. It's informational text. It's just going to have a whole bunch of facts. This is not make-believe, boys and girls. I can tell by the photographs. Often when you see photographs like this, it's going to be informational text. Okay, so this word says crabs. Crabs. So I predict that the main topic of this story will be crabs. I'll bet you it's going to be about crabs. Okay, this is a crab. It is a big, big crab. So if you're at the beach and you're sitting on your towel and you're basking in the sunlight and all of a sudden a crab like that crawls over to you, wouldn't you be a little bit creeped out by him? I would. I usually just see the little ones that are about that big. Maybe that big. A crab has 10 legs. Yes, a crab has 10 legs. So we have 2 and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a good detail about crabs. So I think the purpose of this story, this is my prediction, is to tell us about crabs. And one detail is that they have 10 legs. Crabs zip on wet rocks. Crabs sit on wet rocks. Crabs like wet rocks. So that told us more about the crabs, how they like to zip and sit on wet rocks and how they like them. Look at that one. That's a pretty color. Crabs can grip and grab. Do not pick up a crab. A crab can grab you. Yeah, they can. They grab you with their claws. So don't be grabbing them. That's another thing they want to tell you about crabs is that they will grip and grab you, so don't pick them up. Crabs can make tracks. Do you see right here? It's like footprints, except it's for a crab. Crab tracks can zig. Crab tracks can zag. So they just told you something else about crabs, that they can make tracks that zig and zag. That's a good detail. Hey, did they just show us that picture twice? It is fun to look at crabs. It is lots of fun. And I think it's fun to look at them, but just not to be by them because they might grab you. Okay, so this time Mrs. Skillum is going to read it really quiet, and you're going to read after me. Crabs. This is a crab. It is a big, big crab. A crab has 10 legs. Yes, a crab has 10 legs. Crabs zip on wet rocks. Crabs sit on wet rocks. Crabs like wet rocks. nicely done. Crabs can grip and grab. Do not pick up a crab. A crab can grab you. Crabs can make tracks. Crab tracks can zig. Crab tracks can zag. It is fun to look at crabs. It is lots of fun. Okay, boys and girls, if you don't feel like you're fluent at this story, then go to the slides on the link right underneath this link, and you'll be able to read from the slides. All right, toodaloo, bye-bye.